Be honest, how much time did you spend last week scrolling through tons of articles and social media trying to figure out what's currently trending? Hours, right? And chances are you probably still missed a lot of the good stuff. If spending all this time and effort has got you questioning your methods, let me tell you, there's a much better approach. In this video, I'm going to show you some of our favorite methods that can not only save you a ton of time, but can actually help you spot trends early. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can keep up with what's currently trending and get the inside scoop on what the next big trend is before everyone else. First, we recommend you use a trend discovery tool. This is the fastest way to cut your research from hours to minutes. Instead of manually browsing through endless content, these tools actually give you a pre-filled database of trending topics. Think of it like having a research assistant that never sleeps. But here's the thing, not all of these tools are created equal. Some of them only catch trends that are already peaking, or they're full of celebrity gossip, include fads that gain traction quickly but die off just as fast instead of pointing out sustainable, long-term trends, and they miss out on the stuff that's actually meaningful for business. Plus, they lack consistency. A trend discovery tool like Exploding Topics works differently. It uses AI to scan billions of data points from Google, Amazon, Reddit, YouTube, you name it. Then analysts manually review everything to make sure it's actually relevant to business. The result is you get trends that have real growth value and not just viral nonsense. You can filter by category, see growth forecasts, and track everything in real time. It's almost like having a crystal ball for your industry. Another way to stay on top of your industry's latest trends is to analyze your competitors' websites, and tools like SEMrush can actually show you what's happening in your market. SEMrush offers a market summary report in their Market Overview tab, where you can see things like market consolidation, key players, market domains, market traffic and traffic growth, and more. These types of metrics can unlock hidden insights into your overall market and show you where you stand within a specific niche. The Growth Quadrant feature is especially cool. It shows you your market position relative to your competitors, who the leaders are, who's up and coming, and who's losing steam. For example, you can analyze growth paths of individual websites and view what caused either spikes or dips in traffic. This helps you find industry trends worth monitoring based on these traffic changes, such as specific content topics or new marketing strategies. Here's a method that's so obvious it's almost too easy. Follow the startups. The challenge, though, is that most brands don't publish revenue numbers, and you'll want to find these companies before everybody else does. What you can do is gauge a company's growth by looking at its Google search volume trend, and to do this, you can use tools like the Trend Search feature in Exploding Topics or Google Trends. When doing this in Exploding Topics, you can filter by industry and see which startups are gaining traction based on search volume, funding, employee growth, location, and more. Following industry influencers is a great way to monitor industry trends for two main reasons. Number one, influencers have huge networks, which means that they're often among the first people to learn about new trends. And number two, they're incentivized to talk about new stuff because trending content performs better. Using a tool like SparkToro can actually help you find which influencers your audience follows. BuzzSumo is also another great tool to find popular creators. It allows you to type in any keyword and it'll show you the top content related to that keyword and the author. Keep an eye on what your competitors are investing in. For example, when Ford buys an EV startup, that's a pretty strong signal that electric vehicles are worth paying attention to, right? Set up Google Alerts for your main competitors' brand names. Watch for new hires, especially executives in new departments. These moves often signal where companies think the market is heading. This one's simple but powerful. Talk to your customers. Join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, industry forums. See what people are actually discussing. Their problems today become tomorrow's business opportunities. If you keep seeing the same pain point come up over and over again, then that's probably a trend worth investigating. The best part is you can literally just ask people questions. Most are happy to share their thoughts if you approach it genuinely. Market reports can be gold mines, and you can purchase them from sources like IBS iWorld or MarketResearch.com. These reports offer basic market statistics like market size and forecast data, and in-depth analysis of consumer spending behavior, the fastest-growing market segments, and other market insights. But if you find yourself feeling really overwhelmed by all of this data, here's a pro tip. Upload these reports to a tool like Ask Your PDF and ask specific questions. Investors spend serious time and resources researching trends before they put any money behind them. When you see multiple companies in the same space getting funded, that's usually a sign that something big is happening. Go to industry events. Seriously. Not just for the presentations, but for the conversations. Here's the key though. Don't just show up and hope for the best. Use conference apps to connect with people beforehand. Attend smaller meetups. If you really want to, host your own event. The goal isn't to collect business cards. It's to build real relationships with the people who have their finger on the pulse in your industry. To sum it up, the biggest mistake people are making is by trying to do everything manually. Use tools, follow systems, and remember, the goal isn't to catch every trend. It's to catch the right trend early. What's one trend you wish you had spotted earlier? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.